Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make hard-boiled eggs without a stove. First, preheat your air fryer to 270 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your eggs directly into the air fryer basket, ensuring they are not touching. Cook for 15 to 17 minutes for a firm yolk. This simple technique eliminates the need for a pot of boiling water, making cleanup a breeze. You'll get perfectly cooked eggs every time, ready for salads or a quick snack. For best results, maintain a consistent temperature of 270 degrees Fahrenheit in your air fryer. For standard large eggs, a cooking time of 15 to 17 minutes typically yields a firm, fully cooked yolk. If you prefer a slightly softer yolk, reduce the cooking time by 1 or 2 minutes. Conversely, for extra firm yolks, add a minute or two. Remember, air fryer models can vary, so a little experimentation might be needed to find your perfect timing. Once your eggs are cooked, it's crucial to transfer them immediately into an ice bath. Let them cool for at least 5 minutes. This rapid cooling stops the cooking process and helps prevent that unsightly green ring around the yolk. It also makes the eggs much easier to peel. Gently tap the whiter end of the egg on a hard surface, then roll it to crack the shell all over. The shell should then slide off effortlessly. Proper storage ensures your hard-boiled eggs stay fresh and delicious. If peeled, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. Unpeeled eggs can also be refrigerated for about 1 week. They are perfect for quick breakfasts, salads, or as a protein-packed snack. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, stove-free hard-boiled eggs. And hey, while you're making life easier, why not treat your feet? Check out the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.